Hi and welcome to the Freelance channel. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through on how you can show your YouTube subscriber count on your Facebook profile and at the same time confirm your links that are listed in your profile. All right, so to get started, first open your Facebook app. Now, if you're wondering why I'm doing this on a mobile phone, the reason is because you're not able to confirm your links using the desktop. At least at the time of this recording, it's not possible. So it can only be done via the mobile app. Open the Facebook mobile app. And from here, you will see there under details, I have there youtube.com/@ the freelance channel and 4 other links. So this is an unconfirmed link. So what I'm going to do next is that I'll just go ahead and tap on that link and then tap edit links. Then we'll go ahead and confirm links. So just tap on confirm links. Okay, so here, the first one that we're going to confirm is the freelance channel. So just tap on confirm link. All right, so what you need to do next is to log in to the account or to the email address that is associated to your YouTube account. As you can see in this window, there's actually 2 accounts that I have here. The info@florantivaldez.com is actually a manager, and the info@allaboutpodcast.com is the owner. I actually tried confirming it using the manager, the Facebook manager account profile, but it did not work. So it has to be the owner that needs to confirm ownership of that link. So I'll go ahead and tap info and then scroll down to find the YouTube channel. So there you go. The freelance channel. And from here, you will see there FB multi-platform creator. And then we'll go ahead and tap continue. Then we'll go and tap open external app. All right, so from here, you have the choice. It's your choice. It's your option to either turn on or turn off the display of your subscriber count. If you want to show that, then just leave it as is. If not, you can just toggle that button. I'll go ahead and hit save. All right, so you can see now there are other links that I can add on my profile. So there's only one confirmed link, and that is the freelance channel. Now, if I go back to my Facebook profile, you will now see that my link, the freelance channel, is now showing that I have 20,000 followers, and I have 5 other links. And if I tap on that, you will see there the freelance channel, 20,000 followers, and confirmed linked. Now, what seems to have happened is that it actually added this one instead of replacing it. It actually added a separate one. So I can just go ahead and edit links and then remove the unconfirmed link. Remove. Okay, so there you go. So I'll go back. All right, so that's it. If you have any questions, please leave those in the comments. And thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed to our channel and want to see more videos like this, please don't forget to click subscribe as well as the notification bells. Thank you for watching.